Hey guys, it's Mark High here and welcome back to my channel. Before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload next, which is every Monday and Friday. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out some life hacks to see if they work. So as we know in the past, I have tried out some photo hacks as well as some video hacks, and some of them worked, some of them didn't. All these life hacks types of channels are usually just clickbait, and the majority of them don't work, but some of them may actually be useful. So that's what I'm going to be finding out today, to see if these life hacks are useful, if they work, and if they will help me in any way. So without further ado, let's get into these life hacks. Okay, so for this first hack, if you've got a bit of build-up of dirt and green on your tap, then why not use tomato paste or tomato sauce to clear it all off? Okay, so I'm in my bathroom right now, ready to try this first hack. So here is my sink and here is my tap, and as you can see there is a lot of build-up on there. It is actually starting to gross me out. So I've got the tomato paste here, I've got paper towels here, and I guess we just put it all over and then just wipe it all off. So let's do that right now. Alright, got the tomato paste right here. Just got some of that, and then we'll just pour it over. Just pour it over, and all over the tap, just right there. Got some paper towel right here, and let's see if this does the trick, because I think the acid in the tomato will help, clean all that grime off. So as you can see, most of the grime is off, so it's relatively clean. Whether that had something to do with just the paper towel in general, I have no idea, but I think the tomato paste probably helped a bit. So in general, I think this hack did work. It makes sense for it to work because of the acid in the tomato. It smells really nice, it smells like the tin spaghetti sauce, but I think we can say that this hack was a success. So for this next hack, this is the classic money straightening one. The used to be viral thing that was going around on TikTok and all the other hack channels. Well, if you've got crinkled out money or wet money or whatever, you can just use a flat iron to straighten the money, and it'll be completely normal money again. There are two things going on here. One, I don't have an American dollar bill, so I'm using an Australian dollar bill. It's mostly paper except for this part right here. And two, I don't have a flat iron, so I'll be using a curling iron, but that's close enough to a flat iron, right? So I'm just going to plug it in, and then flat iron or curling iron the money. So we'll just wait for this to warm up. Alright, so it's hot enough now, so let's try it. I don't know how this is going to work. We'll just do it like this. Run up through. Okay, attempt number one, a fail. Let's try again. Okay, So, after attempting to do this hack doesn't 100% work. It has made the money a lot softer, but it's never going to get out this little crinkle here or this over there, as it's not a flat iron, and it is actually made of plastic. My mistake there, but you know, it feels a lot softer. So I guess this hack was half a success. Okay, so for this next hack, why don't we try to make an easier way of putting a t-shirt on without taking the t-shirt that you're currently wearing off. Let's make an easier way by pulling down this shirt and then putting the new t-shirt over the top of it, and then pulling the old t-shirt over your head, and then pulling the old t-shirt out from the underside, and there you go. You have your new t-shirt on, and you didn't even have to take your old t-shirt off and put the new t-shirt on separately. Okay, so for this hack I've got this t-shirt on, and I'm going to put this t-shirt on without ever, doing the fully taking off t-shirt part. So, I think all you have to do is just let one arm out, and then we're going to put this t-shirt on how we normally would. Alright, and then I believe we just have to get this over our head and out through the other side. And there we go. Now I've just got this t-shirt on and took this t-shirt off without ever having to do the, full-on take-off t-shirt and then put another t-shirt on. So I say this hack was a success. I'm going to see if it'll work with the long sleeve. So just like that, and then we put this long sleeve on. Okay, and then over our head. Okay, and then out through the other side. Well, this is the way we're going to do it. We're just going to pull it out like this. Yeah. There, that works. So it doesn't work too well with long sleeve shirts, only short sleeve shirts. So for this next hack, if your moisturiser is getting low and you need it to pour out a little easier, why not cut the top off, then flat iron it closed with some baking paper over it, and there you go. The new top is now sealed and your moisturiser will pour out more easily. Okay, so for this hack I've got my curling iron out again and got my moisturiser, and it is actually getting kind of low, so what a good time to try this hack out. So I've got these scissors, I'll just cut I think about up to this line right here. Oh no, I'm getting moisturiser all over the scissors. Gross. Ugh. Come on, nearly there. Okay. So as you can see, there's the product inside there. Gross. This better work or else my moisturiser is ruined. Okay, and then run a hot iron over it. Did it work? No, it did not. Again. And no, no, this didn't work. Great. So this hack would have worked better if I had probably a clothing iron or a flat iron, not a curling iron. Whether that'll be the case, I don't know, or if they're just clickbaiting to get views or whatever. But now my moisturiser is just going to have this little hole in it, unless I figure out how to close it one way or another. But let's try to apply our moisturiser. It's pretty much empty anyway. Whatever's not already in there is on the floor right now, so that's good. But I'm just trying to get some out. That's the main point. Okay, so we've got some out, but it hasn't changed the pouring rate, so this hack was a fail. So with this hack, it's for if you accidentally do a scribble with your pen on your couch or on your bed or on carpet maybe, then just use some hairspray to get rid of the stain. Okay, so for this hack, I'm going to be doing it on my bed. So I've got a pen here to scribble on my bed, so let's do that. I scribbled all over my bed. Oh no. But not to worry, because I got some hairspray and a cloth. Alright, got hairspray. It better come out. Well, I can see that it hasn't come out and it is permanently stained my bed. So isn't that great? So I declare this hack a fail. But wait, there's more stuff with hairspray. With this next hack, did you accidentally pour a glob of glue on your table or something, or I don't know, somehow accidentally get glue on your table? Then why don't you just hairspray it, let it dry, and then simply pick it off with your fingers. Okay, so for this hack, I'm going to spill some glue on my desk. So I've got the same hairspray again, and I'm just using this glue. So let's do it. Excuse the mess, but well. So just get out some glue. I'm just playing around with some glue. Yeah, just playing around with some glue, like totally. Oh no, I spilled some on the desk. I'm just gonna. Oh no, I just made it worse. Oh no, now my desk is gonna be covered in glue forever. Well, I can just try to. Oh no, I'm smearing it, I'm making it worse. Oh dear. Let's just get some hairspray. Just spray. Just wait for it to dry. Alright, I think it's dry enough, so let's see if we can get it off. Easier if you wiped it all off with a cloth or something. Just using this to wipe it all off. Okay, well, I mean the glue is off, but it's left a sticky remain on my desk, so that's not good. So I would declare this hack either a half success or a fail. But my hands are covered in glue now and I'm not happy about it. So this last hack is all about removing dandruff and hair from your brush. So what you need to do is just grab a glass or something and fill it up with warm water and then squeeze some lemon juice, or is it orange juice? I don't know. But just squeeze some kind of citrus juice into it and then put the hairbrush in it and wait for however long. And And then once you take the hairbrush out, your hairbrush will be fully clean of dandruff and hair. Okay, so for this hack, I've got my hairbrush, got a thing to put water in, and got lemon squeezer to squeeze lemon juice into. So I'll just fill this up with warm water right now. I'll take a close look at my brush, and as you can see, it's full of hairs and dandruff and ugh. So I've got the warm water there. Now we'll just squeeze some lemon juice into it, just like that. Okay, should we get all of that lemon in? Okay, now we're going to put the brush in it. Oh god, I filled it up too much. Don't spill, don't spill. Okay, and now we just wait, I suppose. Okay, so enough time has passed, so let's carefully remove the brush. Oh yeah, so it is working, yeah. We'll just pour that out. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff in the water, as you can tell. But yeah. This kind of worked, as you can see, like there's a ton of hair still in the brush like that. So overall I think this hack would work if I allowed a bit more time and patience, but yeah, it definitely got a lot of the dandruff out. With the hairs though, there's a lot of hair right here back at the brush that is probably really hard to get, but it got some of it, so I would say that this hack is a half success. But if you try this hack out, maybe allow a little bit more time. I don't know how long that is because they didn't say how long it is because they're never specific. So after that, my hairbrush smells like lemons. So that is it for me trying out these life hacks to see if they worked, and the conclusion is some of them worked, some of them definitely did not work. The moisturiser one, some of the hairspray ones didn't work. There were a couple that were useful. The tomato paste over the tap, that one was, I guess, kind of useful. The t-shirt one, it worked, but you know, you might as well just take your t-shirt off and then put a new one on. It doesn't have to be that complicated. But that's what all these hacks are, as I keep saying. Like, really, a lot of it's just clickbait to get attention, which explains why all those channels just have so many views and subscribers. It's insane. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to comment down below what other types of videos you want me to do on this channel. So, till next time, in my next video, I shall see you then. Goodbye.